right, you're short on iron.
Kelton's the spirit of the hunter.
Yo, Jack, how do you feel?
Shitty. I feel shitty.
Would you like to say hi, Chila? Hello. So our next quest, guys, is to find Mason and Chile.
Bro, I'm telling you, dog, don't. Shut up, shut up. First person gets 3. Fell for it. Oh!
Whoa! I'm enjoying it!
Woo! How do you feel about that loss?
Honestly, I didn't think I can compete with our Goliath on physical combat. If I had my sword, it would have gone differently, but that wasn't the game. And that was the game and I lost, so I'll take it.
Real words. Who were you voting for?
Pretty neat. Mr. Jack Schmidt.
Who were you voting for?
Mr. Jack Schmidt is
Jack
the king.
Schmidt.
Hey, awesome. Fantastic. I'm out of breath. I need fucking water.
Yeah, get up for the fucking king.
This is only the utmost respect for the king.
Woo!
Dude, you've been drinking too much. Go home.
Damn, I wanna fucking torque the queen.
Oh. Sorry, we go into torture museum and our second thing is like Indian.
Oh, this dude's fucking spitting. Oh shit, dude, he's playing the Jew harp. Stretch nuts.
One tip.
Honestly, didn't hear shit that she said.
Eventually that tip goes.
I'm gonna say it even louder.
Sir Thomas Wyatt was racked for heresy in 1581.
Remember when...
Hey, what's up, guys? It's my YouTube video. What's up, fucking on stage Roman 67? What's up? We just saw a dead body. We just saw a dead body in the museum.
Oh fuck.
Now the ocean was a hill and all was a duck. I got to the bottom, I never come.
My husband thought I would not be faithful to him.
Is that Taylor Swift?
You got that iron
Yo,
coochie.
Britney Spears has not been doing so well.
Rather do this. I'd probably rather do this than the brass bowl.
Oh yeah, honestly, yeah.
I'd rather just get shot in the face.
Well, yeah. This is probably the...
Pulled out his spaghetti inside
so
him.
far.
The victim had a fine cut in his stomach, having some of his intestines to be seen. It is an ingenious prank.
Oh, this one is the Iron Maiden.
Oh dude, I love that band.
The Iron Maiden was a band from the 1980s. They played heavy metal.
Play Aces High, please.
I think one of the worst parts about the Iron Maiden is the nails don't touch you, so you have to like keep your muscles tense the entire time, you know? You're pretty much killing yourself.
Republicans are gonna start doing this one.
Oh, is that the ring?
No.
The dunking stool was used on nagging women.
I mean shit, we already went back 50 years. Sorry. Oh, fuck. I could really use a sit right now. This is what happens after 7 days.
That one is fucked, dude. I'm not gonna lie, that one is fucked.
Oh, shit. It's a hamster wheel. This guy's been through it. He's already gone through it. He's like,
Now you get to know what I feel.
I'm pretty sure I got that that Halloween
Better
decoration.
than my chiropractor.
I want to know what he says. He stops talking when I walk by.
Excuse me, sir.
You don't know.
Jewel wizardry.
If you do witchcraft, they're gonna kill you. And if you don't get
Could you predict that you were going to be in the fucking cell?
still kill you.
But I was boiling water, right?
Not the rats! Not the rats! You like that, Jack?
Yeah, this is the peak of my life, by the way.
Honey, all kinds of insects come
Or,
to you.
yeah, or hog tying you in and putting you in a room of rats. And eventually, they start with the eyes, too.
What do you think would be pretty bad, Jack? What would you put in there?
I'd rather just get shot in the fucking face.
What about you, Kelton?
I don't know. Honestly, I think one of the worst ones is just sealing them in bricks, you know? So that way they go crazy. Solitary confinement.
With like a cast of avocado?
The castle, yeah. But, Jared, I think if there's any wisdom that you can get from this museum, it's that the Middle Ages and the Dark Ages, they had just as much creative freedoms and inventions as any other age. But it was just used to kill each other and hurt each other.
That's all our evolution is finding more ways to fucking
See, they call the
tear each other
Renaissance
down.
like the birth of creativity, but honestly, this is just the Renaissance of torture.
I have one torture device I would actually take.
What?
You know that iron mask and like Saw with the nails.
The bear
and
trap?
everything? Yeah.
Yeah.
I would take that one. Instantly.
Some wise words. Dude, look at that pose. That is so sleek.
Obviously not slick enough.
This fucking orc has had a fucking shitty day.
It doesn't help on the crap shot.
Damn, look at that cake though.
I'm not the one!
King Arthur's sword.
Just yank it harder. See if it gets harder.
Lizzie Goggles.
You're my bitch.
All right, you guys are good.
You guys out. You guys gotta make some money.
All right, now Kelton and Jack.
All right, I'll be a bitch.
Let's go.
Throw that thing at me, Kellen.
Oh shit. This is the worst. Like budgeted movie ever. Like what was your budget? $5?